Hello everyone, कैसे हो आप सब? I'm back with a new video and today's video I'm gonna show you that how I created this beautiful party makeup look. So yes, let's start this. For today's look, I'm gonna start with first with my eyeshadow, and then we will do our complete base. So first I'm starting with my moisturizer. This is from Cetaphil. I'm taking little bit on my hand and applying all over my face. Now next I'm gonna do my brows first. So I'm just with the help of this spoolie I'm brushing my brows, and now I'm started creating a outline for my brows. So I am doing for both of my eyes. So once I'm done with this, I'm taking this brush, and I'm taking same brow liquid gel, and I'm taking on my brush, and I'm just going to fill my brows with wherever I feel that there is light color. So I'm just filling with my brow brush, and I'm filling all over my brows. So for today's look, I'm gonna first start with my eyeshadow, and then later on I will do my complete face, my base. I'm gonna start with concealer first. I'm gonna prep my eyelids for my eyeshadow. So always apply first a concealer or any eye primer if you have. So apply first concealer so that whatever the eyeshadow color you are gonna use, it will come out so good. So yes, I always prefer to apply first a concealer, and then I start putting my eyeshadows colors. So for this मैं use कर रही हूँ, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible one, and I'm gonna just apply on my eyelids area, and मैं अपने eyeshadow eyebrows के आसपास भी apply करूँगी. Now I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna take this small beauty blender because it's always easy to blend your concealer. So I'm using this small one. If you want, you can take the any size. So after blending my concealer, I'm gonna immediately apply a loose powder. कंसीलर के बाद आपको एक लूज पाउडर ज़रूर अप्लाई करना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर लूज पाउडर अप्लाई करने से क्या होगा कि आपके जो eyelids पे कोई crease नहीं दिखेंगे. So now I'm start doing my eyeshadow. So first again I'm using this Profusion for my neutral colors. Any blending brush you can take. I'm using this fluffy one, and I'm again gonna take the lighter brown color shade. So I am just taking this one, if you can see, taking just little bit, dabbing the excess, and start creating a outer crease for your eyes. So just from outer corner to inner corners, blend this up. So once I'm done with creating my outer crease, first create outer crease. I'm creating from again from the lighter shade of brown color, and just starting from outer crease to inner crease all the way. If you can see that again I'm not touching my brows, but I'm going all the way up to my brows. So once I'm done with that, today I'm gonna create some blue or greenish kind of eyeshadow. So for that I'm using this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette. It's very amazing. You guys can invest in this. So if you can see that all the shades of blue is already there in this palette, and if you can see that there is a green color all over the green shades. So same. So I'm just taking a lighter blue color. So I'm taking this one, okay, taking a little bit on the brush, dabbing the excess, and again I'm starting from my outer crease only. Outer corners and the crease line. I'm doing same with the other eye also, from outer to the inner corner side. You can see that how all the colors are coming out because we already applied a concealer, so it's giving a good base for our eyeshadow. So after applying this outer corners, this blue color, I'm gonna take the little the lighter shade of the blue, if you can see that, this one I'm taking a little bit on my brush, dabbing the excess and just start dabbing it here. Just only on the outer corners, I'm just dabbing it. Same, just blending it out. After applying that, I'm gonna apply a green shade just to give an intense look. So I'm applying, if you can see, this green color, just taking on my brush, dabbing the excess, and I'm just dabbing it the same. And just blending this out. Blend it out so that there will be a no harsh line. So I'm just taking a little bit, dabbing the excess and just putting in the center. Okay, so once we are done with the center, I'm gonna take again the blue shade, and again I'm gonna take this the darker one, if you can see this one, the center one, and I'm just putting on the corner so that my color will enhance. So once I'm done with the outer corners for both the eyes, I'm gonna apply a concealer in the center, in the inner corners, so that I'll put the other color. So I'm just putting my concealer. And you can take any concealer brush, so I'm taking this one and I'm just spreading this out. I'm gonna take this yellow color and I'm gonna apply on the inner corners of my eyes. So for that I'm taking another fluffy brush, the fresh one, and I'm taking this yellow color just on my brush, if you can see, dab the excess and just dab it on the inner corner. After blending this out, I'm gonna apply a glitter on my center of the the green color, the blue color one, and for that take any concealer brush, just spray some fixing spray so that your brush will be wet, and then apply any I'm applying this matching blue color glitter. So taking a little bit on my brush and applying in the center. Inner corners, I'm gonna apply orange color just to give normal good texture. So I'm taking this again, the same Beauty Grace palette, and I'm taking this this orange color, the dark one, if you can see this middle one, taking on my concealer brush and applying on my inner corner. And after applying on my inner corners, I'm gonna blend this out, both the colors, so now after this, when I'm done with both the eyes, I'm gonna do all my inner eyelash line also. So first again I'm starting with the blue color. I'm blending this out. After this, I'm gonna apply the blue color on the concealer brush, the yellow one. Once I'm done with both the eyes, I'm gonna clean the excess, whatever is there. Whatever is the excess part, I clean with this wipe. Now I'm gonna do my base. So for base, again, this first part is the primer. I'm gonna apply primer. Take a little bit on your hand and apply all over the face. After applying my primer, I'm gonna use this copper tone sunscreen, a little bit, and apply all over your face. So once I apply my sunscreen lotion. Next I'm gonna apply this color corrector cream because I have some discoloration. The next thing which I'm gonna use is a foundation. So today I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm just taking a little bit on my palm, just to pump this much, and first I'll apply with the fingers and then I'll use my foundation brush. And then don't forget to apply on neck area, because it's very important to match your face with your neck area. So for that for blending I'm using this foundation brush. Again I'm just spraying a little bit of setting spray on my brush, and then I'm gonna blend this out. So I'm covering my neck area also. If you can see that whatever is in the brush, I'm just using it all over my neck area. After blending that with my foundation brush, I'm gonna use this my beauty blender, and I'm just blending it out. Next I'm gonna apply a concealer, mild concealer, so I'm using this one. So now I'm gonna blend this with my beauty blender. Again I'm using. Next thing which I'm gonna apply is contour. So I'm using this again, the liquid one from Neutrogena. After applying, I'm gonna blend this out. Next I'm gonna apply a loose powder, so that make sure that my base is set. So for loose powder I'm using this kind of beauty sponge, and I'm again taking the same CoverGirl loose powder. So just dabbing it on my under eyes. I'm just dipping the same beauty blender. I'm not taking any loose powder, just dabbing it so that whatever the makeup is there, it will get set. The next part of our makeup is to apply a bronzer. So again I'm taking the same bronzer and contour palette. So I'm taking this color, you can see the corner one, and I'm taking the brush, the bronzer brush. This kind of brush you can take, or any kind of brush. So I'm just taking the last one, dabbing the excess, and just. So now it has been, I left this the loose powder for 2 to 3 minutes. आप 2 से 3 मिनट तक उसको छोड़ सकते हैं, so that जो आपकी बॉडी की हीट है उसकी वजह से ये जो लूज पाउडर है वो सेट हो जाएगा, और आपका मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होगा बहुत देर तक। इवन पसीना होता है तो उसके लूज पाउडर की हेल्प से आपको थोड़े पसीने कम। आई एम जस्ट dabbing this out here. I'm done with the complete base. Loose powder भी set हो चुका है. Now the last step is to apply this fixing spray. I'm using this MAC one. I'm just applying all. The base is already set. Now I'm gonna apply this. So this is from Rimmel London. I'm using this blush. So I'm taking again on little bit on my brush, dabbing the excess and applying on my cheekbone. Once I'm done with applying this blush, the second part I'm gonna apply a highlighter, which is very important. So I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter, you can see. So I'm using this one. I'm taking a highlighter brush, so I'm just applying on. You can see the glow, intense glow it will come. So I'm taking this one, this small brush I'm taking, and I'm applying that so that my eyes will pop up. I'm gonna use this Milani eyeliner pencil. This eyeliner I'm using again from NYX. Today I'm gonna use this Maybelline, Maybelline Super Stay Lip Shade, and this is in shade of 65. So I'm gonna apply. So now I'm gonna wear my lashes, and then I'll come back and I'll show you that how it looks. I wore my eyelashes, and you can see the final look, how it is looking. Yeah, and yes, you can see the complete eye look of mine. Hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, I will come with some other video and vlog. Till the time, take care, bye bye.